Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first ever Sportsian IPL quiz. As you all know, IPL is going to start within 1 week. So this time we are doing something different. We are doing something special. We are trying to share our knowledge of IPL and test the knowledge of others. Today with me, we have Hemant, Mumbai Indians fan, Arvind, CSK fan, and Shantan, SRH fan. So before starting into the quiz, let us just hear from these fans how their team is going to fare this IPL. So let's start with Arvind. Hey Arvind, do you think CSK will win this year?
Yeah, hopefully, I guess. I mean, last time was a kind of aberration, I guess. So this time, CSK will get back on the track, the usual one, and hopefully they will clinch the silverware.
Hemant, do you think it's going to be a hat trick?
Yeah, we certainly hope so. This is an odd year. You know what happens in odd years. And no team has defended the title 3 times. CSK has done it 2 times and MI has done it 2 times. And we are a pretty strong team this time. We still have the intact core with us. So I think it shouldn't be difficult for MI to defend this season.
Shantan, last 2 years playoffs but have not qualified into the finals. What do you think about SRH's chances?
Yeah, SRH are quite underdogs, as everyone know, and with the full team available this year, we might win cup this year.
As you know, I myself am a CSK fan, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to favor Arvind in this quiz today. So before getting started, I'll just explain what are the rounds we are going to have and how the scoring is going to be. So the first round is called Stat Attack. It has 3 questions. Each question has 10 points, 1 question for each person. And there is an option of pass. So the pass continues until all the 3 people have attempted the question. The second round is called Imagery. So you guys will have an image and you guys will have to answer a question based on that image. So the third round is called the Odd Man Out. So you will have, again for the imagery round, each question is worth 10 points and there is an option of passing for which you'll have 5 points. So the third round is called the Odd Man Out. So there will be one similarity and you guys will have to pick an odd man out of the 4 options. Since this is an option based round, there is not going to be the option to pass and each question will have 10 points. The fourth round is identify the IPL stars. So you will have a set of clues and you will have to identify 3 players X, Y, and Z who are in that question. For each X, Y, and Z, you will have 10 points and that is a total of 30 points for that single question. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So the first round is the Stat Attack and the first question is for Arvind. Arvind, are you ready?
Yeah, good to go.
Okay, this is the first question. The first question, who is the first cricketer to be out hit wicket in the IPL?
No clues, right?
Okay. This player did not play any further matches after that single IPL, so that is the clue for you. He is an overseas player.
This player, single IPL.
He's another clue. Okay, I'll pass and once nobody answers, I'll give that clue again.
Is it Herschel Gibbs? I'm making a random.
No, that's not the right answer. So the next, this passes to Hemant. Hemant, do you have an idea?
Is it Ben Dunk?
It's not Ben Dunk. Shantan?
Amla?
No, it's not Amla. So
Maybe we can give a clue on the team. Maybe then we can have a
the team is the team was called the Test team at that year, and this player
RCB.
is
RCB, okay.
known to play very slowly. He was even dubbed Tuk Tuk, but he is well known for another. Yeah, it is Misbah ul Haq.
Misbah.
Oh,
So
Okay.
nobody gets points for that.
wow.
The second question is to Hemant. So very interesting question. Only one team in the history of IPL has only one centurion. Which team is this, and who is the centurion?
Okay. Do we have any centuries other than Sachin's for MI? I remember Sachin's century, but I don't remember anybody hitting a century again. Rohit Sharma didn't hit, I guess. If you talk about CSK, there are a couple. Murli Vijay. RCB too has. Delhi. Okay, the entire team has only one centurion.
Yes,
Over
in
this
the history
entire
of IPL. Yes,
IPL.
it's
Is it
very.
Mumbai Indians?
You have to guess the team and the player.
Okay, Mumbai Indians and Sachin Tendulkar.
That's not the right answer. Passes to Shantan. Yeah.
Okay. Rajasthan Royals.
The player.
I know the player. If he says Rajasthan Royals, I know the player. Who is it?
It will be either Watson or Yusuf Pathan.
It's not the right answer, Arvind.
I mean, this is a current team, right? I mean, it is not some different team, right?
It's a current team.
Okay.
Time is running out. Need an answer.
Okay. I will go with Rajasthan Royals and Graham Smith.
No, that's not the right answer.
That's tough.
You guys are going to be very surprised about this. It's Brendan McCullum of KKR. You guys can imagine this is the first century which is being scored in the first ever match of the IPL, and since then KKR has not scored. Any player from KKR has. And the interesting thing is Brendan McCullum himself has scored another century when he played for CSK. So that is this question, and we move on to the final question of Start Attack. So another pretty interesting question. In 2011, for the first time, this is going to Shantan. So in 2011, for the first time in IPL history, one over went for more than 36 runs. So it went for 37 runs actually, because of a lot of no balls and wides. The batsman was Chris Gale. Who was the bowler?
I know this.
I think I know the team.
Yeah.
Yes, which
Pune
was the bowler. You know the team, Chantan?
Pune Warriors.
Yeah, Arvind.
Yeah, pass.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think the team is Kochi Tuskers Kerala, and the bowler is Parameshwaran, I guess, something. Is it? I mean, second
Yes.
of name is Parameshwaran. Yeah.
That is the first right answer of this question. This match was the target was like 120 odd, and they chased in 8 overs. So that so Arvind gets 5 points for that.
Okay.
Finally.
Arvind leads.
So guys, that's the end of the first round. Arvind is in the lead with 5 points. Shantan and Hemant are yet to open their account, but no worries. We still have a lot more questions left. We move on to the second round. It's called Imagery. So you guys will have a photo, and you'll have to answer a question based on that photo. So this round starts with Hemant. It will go to Shantan and then Arvind. And as usual, there is half the points for past question. Ready, Hemant?
Yeah.
So this is your first question. Identify this bowler.
I don't know his name. I really don't know his name.
He has a Paul Adams-esque bowling action.
Yeah.
Very famous. Played for, if you can find out from the jersey, he played for Gujarat Lions.
Gujarat Lions. I don't know his name.
Okay, passing to Shantan.
Same, I forgot his name.
Passing to Arvind.
I know the first alphabet. It starts with S, right?
Yes, it
It's Suns. No, I'm getting Sandeep Lamichanchi. Somewhere. Sabras, Sandeep. No.
Okay.
No.
The answer is Shivil Kaushik.
Okay.
Shivil Kaushik took the IPL by storm with his unusual action. We move on to the second question. It goes to Shantan. So this is the second question. What is the humorous thing about this famous image?
It's easy.
So this is taken in 2008 before the IPL. Shah Rukh Khan is giving the golden helmet to all his KKR players, and we can see Ishant Sharma over here. Something is
Any
very
clues?
humorous about this.
Yeah, I got it.
If you look at the image carefully, you can see what is funny about it. Okay, I think the question has to pass to Arvind.
I'm making a guess here. So from the image, I can see that Shah Rukh Khan is standing on some elevated thing. I guess it may be a maybe it might be a chair or table or stool or
Yes.
something.
Yes,
So
that is the right answer. So Shah Rukh Khan is actually standing on a chair. So this basically tells how tall Ishant Sharma is. And at that time, he was the tallest Indian player. So to explain that in a humorous way, Shah Rukh Khan is giving his golden helmet to Ishant Sharma standing on a chair. So that's 5 points for Arvind. Good work. And now to the final question.
Knowledgeable Chennai crowd.
Now to the final question of this round. So what is special about the jersey on the right? So you can see two people with two different jerseys. What is special about the one on the right?
The one Shilpa Shetty is holding.
Yep. Any guesses? Or
Yeah,
shall
fine. I'll make a guess, but I'm not sure.
I know what
think
it is.
they designed some away jersey. Is it?
Yes, that's the right answer. So this is the
Yes.
I thought I was going to score my points this time. I thought you'd pass.
so this is the first ever away jersey produced by Rajasthan Royals in 2010. So you can see this match between Mumbai and Rajasthan. Since both are wearing the blue jersey, you can see Rajasthan shirt is yellow, the yellow and blue. Okay, so that's 10 points for Arvind. Arvind is at 20 now. Himant and
Clearly.
Shantan yet to open the account, and we have a bonus question in this round. So the first
Okay.
person to answer that question will get 10 points. The bonus question is on your screen now. Identify the blanked out name.
Alzari Joseph.
Yes. Alzari Joseph is the right answer.
Shit.
The best bowling figures ever in IPL, 6 for 12, and he took it on.
And that's his last match.
Yeah.
That
I think
is,
he played a match.
on to the third round. There's no pass here. This is odd man out round. So yeah, you can see Alzari Joseph is the answer. The odd man out round is multiple choice round.
Okay.
It's like very popular amongst us engineers. We'll start with Shantan and we go with Arvind and Himant. Shantan, if you're ready, here's your first question.
Yeah.
3 out of the 4 players have played only one IPL game in this list. Identify the odd one out.
Tim Payne, Andrew Nell. Wait. Tim Payne.
Tim Payne is the right answer. Chris Green has played only one game for KKR. Tim Payne has played 2 games for Pune Warriors. Andre Nell and Ashraful have both played only one game for Mumbai Indians. So you can see Tim Payne, the substitute captain.
Somebody should tweet this picture to Tim Payne.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
good old days, I guess.
We'll put the snippet.
Okay, the second question is to Arvind.
Okay.
This is your second question. 3 out of the 4 below have taken an IPL hat trick. One hasn't. Who's that one?
Okay. I guess Unadkat and Badri has both taken. Tahi Ahmed. Okay, I go with Trent Bolt.
Trent Bolt is the right answer. So all the others have taken an IPL hat trick. 10 more points for Arvind. Hemant, your chance to open your account here. 3 out of the 4 below have won the Emerging Player Award. Identify the odd one out.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
Surya Kumar Yadav is the right answer. So all the 4 have won. So now we move on to the bonus question in this round. Which of the following teams has Aaron
Kolkata Knight
Finch?
Riders.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kolkata
I
Knight
think
Riders.
Shantan. Yeah, it is KKR.
Shit.
Oh,
Shantan was the
okay.
first one to say that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this round was amazing actually. So let me just tell the scores before moving into the last round. Aravind is in the lead with 40 points. Shantan is with 20 and Hemant is with 10. Don't worry guys, the final round is worth 30 points for each question. You have to identify 3 different
Oh.
players from the clues. Again, we have another bonus question in that round as well. So 30 points is up for grabs there. Round of this quiz is identify the IPL stars. So you guys would have to find out 3 players from the set of clues given. Each player carries 10 points. So the total question carries 30 points. And as usual, at the end of this round, you have a bonus question, which whoever answers first gets the points for that. We'll start with Arvind in this round. So the first question, Arvind, is for you. X was picked by RCB in the 2011 auction, but was injured. His replacement was Chris Gale.
Yeah.
X was teammates with Y in the 2009 T20 World Cup for his country. Apart from X and Y, Z is the only other player to represent this country and play in the IPL. But both X and Z have represented 2 different countries, while Y has represented only one country. Identify X, Y, and Z.
Okay, I think X is Dirk Nanas, I guess. So if that is the case, then Y must be Netherlands, I guess. I mean, the country. Okay, fine, I will go with my answers then. Dirk Nanas, Ryan Tendoskete, and Roelof van der Merwe.
Amazing. Got all 3 right. So, Dirk Nanas has, of course, played for, apart from RCB, he has played for CSK and Delhi Daredevils as well. Ryan Tendoskata has only played for Netherlands.
KKR. He's a
KKR.
superstar.
Yes, and Roelof van der Merwe has represented both South Africa and Netherlands, and he has played for RCB and Delhi Daredevils. That's a brilliant answer. 30 points right over there.
Congrats, Arvind. I think you literally sealed the quiz here.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question is for Hemant. Hemant, you're ready?
Yeah.
This is the question. The first time X and Y's team, IPL team, defeated Z's IPL team in IPL history was through a super over. X was the batsman for his team in the super over, while Z was the bowler for his team. All X, Y, and Z are currently in management positions in 3 different IPL teams currently as of today, and they're all international teammates. Identify
I can
Z.
only remember one team with this many things. I think it should be Sri Lanka. There is Jayawardena, Sangakkara. I just want a clue. Is the country Sri Lanka?
Yes.
Okay. And it should be Jayawardena, Sangakkara, and somebody else. So either it should be DC and MI. And the bowler should be Malinga, but was Malinga in?
Pass.
I'll go with, but I'm not sure. I think I might be wrong. It should be Mahela Jayawardena, Kumara Sangakkara, and Lasith Malinga.
Very, very close. Himan gets 20 points, but he hasn't answered Z, so it passes to Shantan.
Muralidharan.
Okay.
Yes.
SRH.
Yes, Muralidharan was the bowler when he played for CSK. He bowled the super over against Kingsland Punjab, where Yuvraj reverse swept him. It's 20 points for Himant, 10 points for Shantan. Shantan, your direct question is coming now.
Okay.
So, X is Jayawardene, Y is Sangakkara, Z is Muralidharan. Of course, Jayawardene is the head coach of Mumbai. Sangakkara is the
Director.
director of Rajasthan, and Muralidharan is the mentor of SRH, bowling coach mentor. Yeah. Okay, Shantan, your direct question here. X and Y were both players of Rajasthan Royals. X went on to be a coach of 2 other IPL teams. In both these teams, his captain was the same player who's Z, and Z was the international teammate of both X and Y. Both X and Y have coached their national sides, and after X, Y was the coach of his national side, and Y is the current coach now.
1 second. X and Y, both the players of Rajasthan, not been the coach of 2 other IPL teams. 2 other means that includes Rajasthan also.
No, 2 other apart from Rajasthan. The biggest clue here is both X and Y have coached their national side. I think if you find out that you can, and Y is the current coach.
Current coach, as in he is currently leading a national side, right? I mean, coaching.
Yes.
Okay.
Who do we have like that? Star player coaching.
His captain was okay. Z is Gilly for Deccan Chargers and Kings Punjab. Okay, excellent. Okay, what about Y?
I think okay. Okay, enough time. I think we can pass.
Yeah.
Y is
Arvind
Langer. Y is Justin Langer.
and X is
You got Y, X is easy. Yeah, see, Arvind is right.
okay. Yeah, I think the question has to pass to Arvind. 20 points for
Darren
Shantan.
Lehman.
Yeah, Darren Lehman. Yes.
Dude, Darren Lehman played for RR.
Yes, he
Yeah.
did.
Didn't know that.
Yeah, actually, but I didn't know the Langer part actually.
Langer didn't play.
No,
He was in
when
the
he
team.
said, I was thinking Justin Langer and Darren Lehman was there, but I was thinking who's that jet? Then he said that it's Australian wicketkeeper. Obviously, it's evident.
Yeah. So actually, Darren Lehman was the coach of the 2009 winning team of Deccan Chargers, where Gilchrist was the captain. So
Okay,
20 for
okay,
Shantan, 10 for Arvind, and this is the final open bonus question. Pretty straightforward question. X, Y, and Z have the same surname. X and Y have represented their country, while Z has not.
Sean Marsh, Mitchell Marsh.
No,
And I
read
don't
the
know
question
that.
fully. X holds the record for the second fastest IPL 100, while Y has an international test hat-trick to his name. Apart from X, Y, and Z, no other player has the same surname in this IPL. X has won the IPL, while Y and Z have not. The biggest clue is the second fastest IPL 100 and an international test hat-trick.
Irfan Pathan. Yusuf Pathan. I don't know any other Pathan. Second fastest 100. Who it might be? History of IPL. He has an international test hat trick. Yeah, Irfan Pathan, Yusuf Pathan. That's it.
That's
That's it.
20 points there for Himant.
Yeah.
What about the third
I don't know
Patan?
what third Patan. Who's the third Patan?
Uh,
No idea. I'm not sure.
Okay,
Mayans.
I think that's how far we have come. So the third Patan is Asad Patan. So he has played 7 games for RTB. Of course, Irfan Patan with the international test static, Yusuf Patan with the second fastest IPL 100 in 37 balls. And there ends our quiz. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The winner today is Arvind. The runner-up is Himant and Shantan.
Oh, I think.
Thank you guys.
both
Thanks
tied
for
up.
participating. Hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below if you're interested in participating in this quiz. I really enjoyed hosting this quiz as much as you guys love to participate and love to watch. Thank you and see you in another video.